This is a 5-minute workout where I've picked you 5 of the best calorie burning cardio moves. These are great full body and fat burning. We're going to just do 5 minutes, 5 moves. What I would say, if you haven't already done a warm up, simply press pause, march on the spot for say 20 seconds, and then we'll start with fat burning move number 1. So let me show you a preview of the first move. We're going to kick off with this one, which is a skater's lunge. So we step wide and we just step the foot behind. So we're going to get ready, come into position. We're going to do this for 45 seconds. So just follow along. So you're stepping the foot behind, reach your arm across. And why this ranks in the top 5 is you are working your arms. You're also working through your upper back. You're working your waist, you're working your thighs, your legs and your glutes. So this is a full body move. And the great thing is it's knee friendly, low impact, all standing. So that's good. Let's just keep that going. So it's a super powerful fat burning move because we're working so many joints, means then we're also really working through so many major muscle groups. Reaching that across. You can see there that timer bar on the left, that represents our 45 seconds for move 1. And well done. All right, so just take a deep breath in, deep breath out, just get your breath back, and we'll have a look at move 2. So this one, you're going to be in a wide stance. It's a kind of windmill kick. You're just going to kick one leg across over towards the opposite hand. So just keep the arms up nice and wide. And this one is in the top 5. And the reason being, it's great for working through your arms, your back, your abs, your waist, your legs, and your glutes. So again, it's a powerful kick. Plus, we're really targeting through those inner thigh muscles. And for move 2, again, we're doing 45 seconds. You've got your 5-minute countdown clock there. And it's amazing. If we do these full body moves, you can do shorter workouts and still get incredible results because we're working so many muscles all at once. And again, this is lovely, a low impact, full body, no equipment move. All right, just get your breath back and we're going to have a look at the third move coming up. So for this one, we do a little bend through the knees and then you step the foot back. So we start in a wide stance and we're going to get ready to step, do a little squat for me now, step the foot back. So it's tiny bend through the knees and step back. And this one is actually really, really incredible for your lower body strength. It's also great for your abs, your arms, your legs, your glutes. And the great thing here is it's actually knee friendly if we do it properly because we're stepping back. So we're not overloading the knees. They're not shooting over the line of the toes. So always keep that weight behind. Toes stay behind the line of the knees. If there's any exercise you don't like, remember you can just march on the spot. So it's that deep bend, keeping that going, and it'll really get the heart rate up. So it's a great cardio move as well on that one. And well done. Just march it out. So we'll have a look at your next move coming up. So this low impact half star, really lovely dynamic move, lovely lateral move. So let's get ready to take that up. And again, 45 seconds for me. Now I'm going to show you the alternative high impact. So if you want to, you can follow along to that. And this one is great for your shoulders, arms, abs, thighs, and glutes. Or you can keep it low impact. 45 seconds duration on move 4. So reach it across, nice powerful move. And it's really good when you're doing this. Think about the bigger picture. As I say, it's always about investing in your future health. Think about how many joints you're working, all the muscles you're conditioning and you're toning and you're getting stronger. All right, well done. Okay, so we're going to have a look at the final move coming up. So for move number, the 5th move, we're going to just be doing is 20 seconds one side, then 20 on the other. So this one, you're in a split stance, take one foot behind, arms in front. Now just drive that knee up. And this one here is really incredible. And why it's in our top 5 is that you're really working the arms, the chest, your abs, and your legs, your glutes. Also great for your balance, your flexibility, mobility. So we're actually going to do a little bit longer on this one because we're going to change halfway through. So just keep going. on that leg, and then follow me as we're going to change now onto the other side. And again, it's the same. You're just driving that knee up. And as you pull those arms down and the knee in, really focus on tensing through those ab muscles. So we're really strengthening your core. And as I said, this is really great for your endurance, your strength, your balance, your stability, mobility, everything. And as I always say, as your trainer, this is always about you investing in your future health, because our health is our everything. So well done. Now, what you could do, you could simply hit rewind to that number, repeat that 5-minute workout again, then you've done a 10-minute workout. But equally, if you're finished today, there is your high five. Just click in the description link or up here for my cool down stretch. And remember, what you and I have just done is invest in your future health.